Good morning, legend. It's Friday. Don't let your guard down. We've got a market that is pushing higher and higher and higher, but the trapdoors are still wide open. No major news today, but hey, it's Friday, so watch out for sneaky moves and sudden fades. Yesterday, we reclaimed some lost ground, but after a slick retest of Wednesday gap and a classic liquidity sweep, buyer punched through April 10 and 14 highs. The one-time framing down is reclaimed, balance is restored. On the 10-day volume profile, value is rising, POC jumped up 64 points. Bulls will definitely want to defend this 5,528 region to keep momentum alive and push into August range right here. As for a weekly and daily structure, we are seeing early signs of an uptrend. Thursday's move here above 5,250 flipped inventory bullish, and now we are moving into this low volume node zone right here between 5,520 and 5,620. Holding above 5,528 is key. On yesterday's 2-hour delta chart, we see the passive buyers stepping in right here below 5,373 and aggressive buy response kicked in above. Price ripped through 5,500 and stalled at a call wall 5,525. There's a strong volume shift, but we still have some absorption. On the New York TPO, we see a double distribution day with a clean opening range retest. We closed above last week's high, so buyers are clearly in control. Let us then jump into the 1-hour chart where we have a big open today, 120 points above yesterday's open. The strike range is tight and below 5,500. We have a top at 5,460 and a bottom at 5,400. And watch this little Globex gap at 5,564. It is glowing for attention. So as for a game plan, my line of stand will be 5,520, which is the monthly VWAP standard deviation and this low volume node ledge. For bull targets, we have 5,545, 5,570 and 5,598. As for bear targets, we will target 5,500, 5,475 and 5,452. It is a Friday. Lock in your gains, don't chase, manage your risk. If the setup is not clean, just let it be. And as always, like, subscribe, get my free daily newsletter, come say hello in Discord where I trade every day. All links down below. And of course, hit that notification bell if you want to stay updated. And I'll catch you Sunday on the Weekly Outlook.